In the silent, infinite vastness of space, there is a subtle echo, a whisper from the dawn of time itself. Imagine, for a moment, a universe that refuses to cool down entirely, that holds fossil records, not just in the glow of ancient light, but in the most elusive of particles, neutrinos, drifting through almost nothing. They interact almost not at all, and yet they carry within them the memory of a time, mere moments after the Big Bang. Less than a second into existence, and still these cosmic neutrinos flow, like whispers of a bygone era, through every atom, through every breath, everywhere, even now. And so we stand on the cusp of discovery, an ancient river flowing through all of space within the quiet of ourselves. In the dark vaults of time, let us travel far back through the primordial haze of the early universe. Temperatures soared so high that neutrinos, those ethereal messengers of the stars, danced through a cosmic sea, in thermal balance with photons, with electrons, entwined in the great equilibrium of that epoch. Then, as the universe expanded and cooled, those early flames of energy began to fade. Neutrinos decoupled, slipping into the cosmic night, a silent stream of particles, still faintly carrying the subtle imprints of that thermodynamic youth. And now, in the delicate dance of particles, as they decay at merely the speed of light, if we listen closely, we might yet read the echoes of that primordial energy, the faint signatures of entropy, the subtle trembling of light-speed decay. This is the quest. Can we find the relic's fingerprint, etched in the fast mimics of the present? Pause now. Let the silence stretch as deep and infinite as the cosmos itself. Imagine, if you will, the folding panorama of the cosmos as it stretches outward, its primordial heat dissipating, cooling. Through this immense canvas of space and time, tiny particles drifted, leaving the plasma behind, neutrinos. They ceased to interact, becoming ethereal travelers in the void, detaching from the cosmic weave. The photons, however, held on longer. Their dance of interaction endured. And then, heavier particles gave in, annihilating into lighter forms. This, in turn, bestowed a subtle reheat, like a flicker of fire diffused back into the photon bath, leaving the neutrinos drifting cooler, forever changed in temperature ratio and density in energy. An intricate cosmic sequence etched into the universe's history, the ancestral balance of matter, radiation, frozen in the vastness of space-time. Long, ancient stretches of time, before our eyes could focus, before our instruments could detect. There were only those gentle echoes, indirect hints woven into the fabric of the cosmos. We watched the cosmic expansion unfold, the galaxies unfurling, structure blossoming from quantum seeds, and in the backdrop, the faintest whisper of a microwave hum, ripples in the oldest light. Then, the core mechanism. Imagine, just imagine, the early universe, a crowded dance floor bathed in primordial energy. Photons shimmering in one corner, neutrinos drifting in another, energy flowing like an unseen current between these cosmic dancers. And then, silently a moment, the moment when neutrinos could no longer hear the music, no longer jostling with photons and electrons, and the room kept evolving without them. In that stillness, the universe changed forever. Thus, what we see today is the afterimage, this cosmic tapestry shaped by their silent departure. In the vast expanse of the cosmos, there exist forces so subtle, so profound, that they echo through time. Imagine particles born in the furnace of the early universe, brief sparks that collide, decay, and vanish. Without interacting further, some particles, like neutrinos, slip away, unfettered by the chaos, carrying their silent tale,
their temperature imprints, their entropy. Meanwhile, others rush forward, their speed approaching that of light itself, unfolding in streams of particles, carrying evidence of decay, forever connected by the delicate weave of cosmic expansion.
This is the dance of near light speed decay, particles whispering their past to us across the depths of creation. Imagine, if you will, a particle hurtling through the vastness of the cosmos. At ultra-relativistic speeds, it pierces the fabric of energy and momentum, where the background, an ocean of neutrinos, whispers its subtle influence. Neutrinos, nearly massless, pervasive, and ancient, crowd the spaces between the stars. Their energies cascade through the vacuum, their spectral patterns etched by the age of the cosmos itself. Now, when a decay occurs, it's not an isolated event. It ripples through the field. The Relic Neutrino Background, the silent sea of particles left from the dawn of time, can change the decay outcome, affecting blocking factors, filling or emptying available phase space. The phymostate distributions, their energies, the spectra, shifting subtly, but with growing precision in the light we measure from the depths of space. Thus, the decay doesn't just carry on, it sings in harmony with the background, and in its echoes we find the fingerprints of the universe. Then, and so, the Relic Entropy, an ancient signature drawn from the first moments of cosmic expansion, moves subtly through the fabric of the universe, and it does so by adjusting the neutrino temperature, the threshold of energy that fills the states of neutrinos as they emerge from quantum shadows. Though the fragile particles from the early universe remain technically undetectable, elusive as whispers, their influence reverberates. We measure their echo as rapid processes travel through that cosmic bath, each particle scattering, each interaction bearing the delicate fingerprint of an eternal background. Yet, the journey deepens, for neutrinos participate in a dance far beyond the classic expectations. Flavor mixing, they shift between identities, electron, muon, tau, like ghostly hidden faces. And beyond that, the possibility of mass, an ancient possibility, changes the curves of their energy landscapes today, molding how they fill the cosmic fabric, how they shift the kinematics of life's building blocks. Now, listen to that silence. The cosmos holds its breath and reveals that the smallest details echo through unimaginable scans. Wait and watch how the cosmic dance unfolds. In the boundless expanse of cosmic history, there lies an imprint, an echo, etched deep in the fabric of spacetime, where thermodynamic entropy unfurls across the aeons. This entropy, the shadow cast by the universe's earliest moments, sets the baseline distribution. In the quiet dance of particles, masses and mixing weave and ripple, subtly shaping the decay across light-speed channels. In the unseen heart of the cosmos, consider for a moment the vast convergence, a comparison of decay spectra, from the ancient cosmological epochs, from the explosive fury of supernova neutrinos to the accelerated whirls of high-energy particle experiments, each a pathway, each a test of what we expect in the absence or presence of the Relic Neutrino Background. And so we ponder, does the inferred neutrino temperature align with the ancient entropy narrative? In this cosmic detective story, neutrinos are the universe's stealthy messengers, silent, rapid, bearing witness to what once was or what could yet be. Breathe deeply into the void. There echoes the faint whisper of the cosmic neutrino background, ghostly messengers from the dawn of time. Through them we probe the thermal history, that primordial echo that weaves through the fabric of the cosmos. Each neutrino, a silent traveler, constrains the mass, the energy, the hidden interactions of the microcosm. The expansion itself, dictated by forces we barely glimpse, reveals its rhythm, whether a fleeting tremor or a tidal wave of cosmic change. An indirect measure, tiny, almost imperceptible, but when taken into account, it bridges the early universe and the vast cosmos, linking the microcosm to the grand symphony of existence. This is the resonance, the silent pulse of distant starborn particles. Listen. Can you feel the vastness of what lies beyond? Light streams through the cosmos, carriers of clarity, photons everywhere, touching everything, while neutrinos whisper, elusive phantoms seldom caught. And yet, in the intricate dance of the cosmos, we measure not their form, but their echoes, the faint reverberations in the fabric of space-time. For in the earliest echoes lies the fossil of entropy, the ancient history that shaped the heavens. And the sequence predicts the dance where neutrinos and photons meet, their temperature shift, shaped by decoupling, reshaping the cosmic symphony. This is the story of the universe unfolding. In the silent, boundless void where light stretches into infinities, there exists a whisper, a relic from the dawn of the cosmos. These neutrinos, ghostly travelers, dance through the universe. And when their presence alters the decay of energetic particles, that is when we see the hidden patterns, the fingerprints of the early universe imprinted in the cosmic spectrum. We listen in awe as the universe, in its delicate complexity, reveals its secrets. And within these disturbances, we may yet find traces of ancient entropy, those subtle echoes of time. This is how the cosmos writes itself, beyond sight, beyond touch, waiting to be read by those who dare to look.